plumbing costs can differ depending on the nature of work, the location, and the complexity of the project. However, having essential DIY tools on hand for minor plumbing maintenance can be a money-saving advantage. So buckle up as we're going to show you some amazing plumbing tools that you should have. Starting off with the REDGIT P-Tech 5000 cutter, your all-new cutting hero of plumbing projects. This tool can slice through thin-walled plastic pipes in a faster and easier way. No more pesky burrs because this cutter cleans up its mess, eliminating the need for a second deburring tool. It's like having a neat freak on your side. And that's not all. It's got an automatic bewelling feature, making it the smooth talker of pipe connections. It's so quick to operate that you'll be saving so much time on multiple jobs. Just 6 revolutions and your pipe is good to go. With its high visibility sight glasses, it's like giving the P-Tech 5000 a pair of stylish shades, ensuring every cut is as straight and accurate as possible. And let's not forget about the open hole design. It gives you the power to conquer those 50mm double banked plastic downpipes like a pro. Having trouble creating your online course video? At 10 Studio, we specialize in creating video courses for instructors like you. With our 7 years of experience and 80+ completed projects, we're confident that we can make your course engaging and easy to understand. To get more students and increase your earnings through attractive online course videos, contact 10 Studio today. RSTOOL 33004 Basin wrench, the ultimate must-have for plumbers and DIY enthusiasts. This versatile wrench boasts a slim yet robust chrome vanadium steel shaft, allowing easy access to those tricky, hard-to-reach spots. Say goodbye to the hassle of carrying multiple wrenches because the wrench comes with automatically adjusting forged steel jaws. Ready to tackle nuts ranging from 3/8 to 1¼ inch, it's like one-size-fits-all wizard. But wait, there's more. The flexible head can pivot up to 180 degrees, granting you the power to maneuver effortlessly around any obstacles in your path. From supply lines to valves, drains to faucets, this magical tool covers a wide range of under-sink jobs, making it the ultimate solution for all your plumbing adventures. Don't miss out on this essential companion that'll make your plumbing tasks a breeze. Tired of the frustration and guesswork with pipe expansions? Look no further than the incredible Milwaukee Propex expander, the game changer for your plumbing projects. Its cutting-edge design ensures precise installations every single time, regardless of pipe size. But hold on, there is more. This revolutionary tool works at lightning speed, sealing up to 65% faster than regular models. You'll be finishing jobs in a flash, leaving your boss and clients in awe of your efficiency. Plus, it's super lightweight and portable, always ready to be your trusty sidekick. No more hunting for bulky tools or wasting time rummaging through your toolbox. Embrace the Milwaukee Propex expander and say hello to hassle-free, impressive plumbing work. Say goodbye to the endless task of removing burrs and sharp edges from cut materials. The King Chrome Deburring tool is here to save the day. This pen-type wonder works its magic in no time, making your job a breeze. With its sturdy metal body and spare blade storage, you'll never have to pause between jobs again. The high-hardened metal cutting blade can handle a wide range of materials, from plastic to metal, aluminium, copper, and even ferrous metal tubing pipes. Thanks to its quick-release blade function and convenient pocket clips, this deburring tool is always within reach and can be safely stored in your pocket. Make your plumbing profession smoother and more efficient with the mighty King Chrome Deburring tool. The Rothenberger Tube Cutter Mini Cut 1 and 2 Pro is a perfect plumbing solution for tight spaces requiring only a 38mm or 42mm working radius. Don't let its compact size fool you though, this cutter effortlessly handles large pipes with ease. Its handy design allows you to work in those hard-to-reach spots, making it a lifesaver for plumbing tasks in cramped areas. The guide rollers with recesses ensure precise cutting near flares, saving valuable material. Say goodbye to time-consuming jobs, this tool swiftly completes tough tasks, making your plumbing work a breeze. The Mini Cut 2 Pro version is specifically designed for cutting pipes with 6 to 22mm in confined spaces, making it your go-to solution for those tricky, narrow spots. Embrace the Rothenberger Tube Cutter Mini Cut 1 and 2 Pro and conquer plumbing challenges like a pro. Get rid of pesky leaks with KIBOSH's Rapid Clamp. This handy tool acts like a superhero for burst pipes, swiftly coming to the rescue. No need for special skills or expertise, just clamp it onto the pipe at the exact spot and watch the water flow stop in a flash. It's like having a mini plumber at your disposal, compact, reliable, and always prepared for action. The best part? KIBOSH allows you to make a temporary repair until you can arrange a permanent fix. Never stress about burst pipes again thanks to the trusty KIBOSH Rapid Clamp by your side. Enhance your pipe testing process with the remarkable ODCO end of pipe gripper plugs. These plugs boast a unique mechanical expansion feature, ensuring a secure seal at the end of the pipe and maintaining pressure during your piping system tests. Crafted with top-notch metal, these plugs are highly durable and resistant to rust and corrosion. Not only do they deliver long-lasting performance, but they also offer cost-effective protection against dust and debris. Specially designed to plug open-ended pipes from 1.5 inches to 6 inches in diameter, these ODCO gripper plugs are the ultimate solution for efficient and reliable pipe testing. Bid farewell to all the manual guesswork and pick this Javac Edge tube bender set for hassle-free, precise, and professional-grade tube bending tasks. With its innovative reverse bending adapters, you can effortlessly bend tubes in the opposite direction, perfect for tackling tricky spaces. The 90-degree indicator feature ensures precise bends, letting you know when the tube reaches a perfect 90-degree angle for accurate installations. Thanks to its superior strength aluminum mandrels, the tubing remains undamaged and retains its round shape, as the mandrels do not deform during the bending process. This exceptional tube bender set empowers plumbing professionals to handle complex pipe configurations with ease, making it a reliable and efficient tool for achieving flawless bends and ensuring optimal plumbing installations every time. Meet the superior tool Nipple Extractor, a tiny yet powerful tool that will be your ultimate blessing for plumbing projects involving pipes and galvanized black pipe gas lines. Despite its compact size, this mighty extractor can handle your home repair tasks with ease. Tighten or loosen pipes, galvanize black pipes, and gas pipes effortlessly with this nifty tool. Worried about the working hassle? No need to fret. Simply place it onto the broken pipe thread, tap it a few times to set the teeth, and then effortlessly wrench it out in a counterclockwise motion. Voila! The thread is removed and you're ready to move forward with your plumbing project. Experience the ease and effectiveness of plumbing repairs with the superior tool Nipple Extractor. Take control of your toilet plunger problems once and for all with the new Korky toilet plunger. This tool is designed to fit all toilet bowls, shapes, and sizes in both old and new high-efficient toilets. Unlike standard plungers on the market, this soft, non-marking rubber plunger creates a tight, splashback-free seal with less force required, replacing traditional pro-style and force cup plungers. It works seamlessly with toilets from brands like Kohler, Toto, and American Standard, ensuring a hassle-free plunge that clears common clogs effectively. The T-shaped handle provides a comfortable grip for easy cleaning, making it the ultimate plumbing tool to tackle toilet clogs effortlessly. For even more power, consider the Korky BeehiveMAX with 2 times the force, guaranteed to handle even the toughest clogs. And this concludes our list for the amazing plumbing tools that you should have right now. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and share it with your friends if you found this video helpful, and subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.